Hey guys, the Gadget Man here, and today I'm going to be setting up and demonstrating this AIMOS KVM Switcher here. So why do you need this and how does it work? Alright, let me show you. First of all, you see here, I'm at my office. I have this elaborate, super expensive desktop here. Not really, it's just a $40 folding table, but it's actually very effective. Okay, I need a lot of space because I do a lot of stuff here in my work and digital editing and testing products and stuff like that. So I have my high-powered desktop over here. This is a graphics editing monster for editing 4K video, stuff like that. That's where all the magic happens. I also have a pretty high-powered laptop over here, which I use on the road for 4K video and stuff like that. And of course, I travel a lot and I get a lot of files on here. So when I get back to my office, I don't want to just transfer everything off here over here. I just want to connect this and I want to use it on the same system, okay? So up until now, I've been using this little mouse and keyboard KVM switcher. It switches the mouse and the keyboard from the laptop over to the desktop or vice versa, but it doesn't switch the monitor. And how I've been getting around that is I actually have two cords going into the back of my monitor. I have an HDMI cord right here that comes from my desktop, another HDMI cord from my laptop that's been adapted to DVI video because my monitor only has one input for HDMI. Okay, so how I have to do this is a little bit of a process. It's not too hard, but you know, I can. Right now, I'm on the desktop. This is the desktop screen. I can actually press this little input switcher, which switches over here HDMI, VGA, DVI, and now that's going to switch over to the laptop. Okay, there we go. There's the laptop screen, but the mouse isn't working, so now I have to hit this here. And now we hear the mouse, and that's all switched over. Now that's not too hard, but I really just want a one button. And this one, it has kind of cords that stick out and stuff. And the reason I really like this right here is it has a remote button where I can just run the button out here without having all the connection cords out here. So let me go ahead and let's get this out of the box and look at it right here. So open up the little box here, and let's just get everything out. So we can see size, how it looks. This is a pretty small little system here. Okay, they're in my hand. It has all the necessary inputs, USBs there, and it comes with all these cables, two HDMI cables. This is the little remote button that you push, and let's see here, two USB cables, okay? So let me go ahead and get this thing set up and let's test it out and see how it works. Alright, so I got it set up. It's not too hard, just basically, it's very simple. Everything's labeled easy, has all the cords to do it. You know, you connect your HDMI to HDMI 1 for your desktop, or 2, and it's marked 1 or 2, and your HDMI, and then you take an HDMI cable from there, from the switcher to your monitor. Same thing for your USB, they provide everything. Same thing for your mouse and keyboard, they provide everything in the box you need. Okay, so now we're operating on the laptop, and right over here it has this remote switcher, which is awesome because there's like 6 tangle of cables and everything that connect, and I don't want that all sitting here like it was before. Just press one button, give it a couple of seconds to switch over, and there we are. So one button, remote control, and you're switching between your laptop and your desktop, or two desktops if you have them for different reasons. You know, it makes it very simple to have two computers, one monitor, and do work quick and easy. So it works real good, and everything comes in the box you need to set it up. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please consider hitting the thumbs up under the video to let me know this video helped you out. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.